Following a report that Nyimba Milling company in Lusaka has been causing pollution affecting residents in the area, the Zambia Environmental Management Agency issued a compliance order to halt operations. However, a check by Diamond News has found the milling plant in full operation. Francis Nyerenda, a subcontractor at the plant, says the facility should remain open, arguing that it provides employment for many people. He has further suggested that the affected residents should be relocated to an alternative location.
Isenzama pessoa ikotoa panja peka peka kubantu bimane mukati bose bose timangara pano pesa mapeso kyo sena siana but mapenzi kati muri cha game pamene apafuta watatenga kusoja bo guys kulika ntito so chini bwera ntangena timukati sevenza so game yokuti wakamba to iya pollution chance ngati sifakati defeat abantu wangono maningi whereby isetiriwa mbili mukati tina mabanja nasi kuti choke survive mwana sipamene apa so i game baganzaje vintu vinangu baganiza further to that bemve wakakuke wakasiye space wakapasira nyimbo wamene then wakapasa kwa mandrama yao watu wakashite vintu vinangu kwasira because what it is sina vomeri pali mafamilies ya vida yafutse uyu anawana na wakazi wake wanawana wakazi wake wanawana wakazi wake nawana wakazi wake ninawana wakazi wangu bali mkati ni watu wangati lero tumvele manjeje watu wawili mafamilies ya vida amena yativute.
Meanwhile, Emilia Sakala and Akim Piri have both called on the government to intervene in the matter.
Izatufuna cheba tikonzeko che masefa olokapana funa nkalapa tikonzeko che masefa kuti tingaleko health ya munche kai vifua ndivyo ni vitivute isepana kai ni asthmatic so nkambiri kwenda ku clinic kufasulusa chifuva panipemba kutwa titani zileko tikonzeko masefa kuti tingaleko munche kai nisunga abantu bachikulire bashuga kuli na mabipi bali mukati
an order. So now that they have not complied, the situation has not improved, as you can see there. So these people, honestly speaking, they have done bad things to us. So as you can see, the environment has been polluted. So now we need help. Yeah, we need to be helped. It's very important, and something has to be done as quickly as possible.
Zema Public Relations Manager Ruth Kamwe says the continued operation of the plant is an abrogation of the compliance order and will result in the company being penalized.
Nyimba Milling has not been given permission to continue operating. So what it means is that they have abrogated the order, the compliance order that was issued to them, and they'll be fined because they've not been given permission to open the plant. As far as we are concerned as Zema, Nyimba Milling plant is supposed to be closed. They are supposed to cease operations.
Rachel Mumba for Diamond News.